Happy Thanksgiving, everybody, and welcome to another edition of I Hate Video Games with Long Intros That You Can't Skip's YouTube channel of famous like videos. Well, this time I told you people that if we get above 3,500, I'll microwave my work phone. I fucking hate this thing, so thank you. I mean, yeah, it's an old phone, but whatever. Shit's replaceable. Still fucking hate this thing. I wonder how long it takes to actually microwave a phone. Alright, so yeah, see? It's proof it still works and everything. Still have signal and all that good shit. For the sake of my microwave, I'm going to be covering it up with paper towel. Because, yeah, I like having decent to nice stuff. And oh, this is Sunny, my bird. He said what's up. Alright, well let's get this going. That's got a low battery anyway, so it just wants to die. Alrighty. It's kind of hard because I have to look at the computer screen while I'm doing this. Alright. Do it for a nice minute. And now we're going to stand back a little bit. Oh, Jesus! Oh, that smells terrible! Oh shit, it's smoking! Ah, shit! Oh yeah, it's billowing smoke. I know you can see that shit. Whoa. Okay, smoke's coming out of the microwave, turning on the fan. That was good. Holy fuck. Ah. Damn. That was pretty ridiculous. Hold on, I need to grab some tongs or something. Oh look, it's my laptop. Hey fans! Alright, let's see what the phone looks like. Oh damn! The phone is like melted to fucking hell. Oops, something just fell out. Oh, that's the little centered dial piece. Sonny, go to your cage. Go. Get your ass out of here. Go. Boy. Yeah, it doesn't slide anymore. It's gone. It's done. It is melted completely. Speaker's fried. Phone is still very hot. And that was our 3,500 likes video.